education, experience and health. Then we take the natural capital, and the natural capital we take all ecosystem resources, air, water quality, forest. So, it includes everything whatever comes under the ecosystem resources. Social capital, where we take the proxy for our social capital, when we take the variable for this is social connection, social networking. And cultural capital is the body of folklore supporting our world view and our role, that comes under the cultural capital. So, some point of time it is easy to operationalize what comes under the physical capital, human capital or natural capital, but it may be little indirect when it comes to the social capital and the cultural capital, but they do play a role in our operationalizing the sustainability. Okay. Now, many times you must have heard that we use the word sustainability and sustainable development interchangeably, right. So, sometimes we say it is sustainable development, sometimes we say sustainability. So, there are difference between sustainable development and sustainability. Some point of time it looks very finer, but if we go in depth, there is a significant difference between the sustainable development and sustainability. Now, I have picked a few differences that have been cited by a different in the different blog or the different site, and we will see how they define or how they differentiate differentiate between sustainable development and sustainability. So, the first one is from UNESCO, and here the way they brought the difference is sustainability is often thought as a long term goal, that is more sustainable world, and sustainable development refers to many processes and pathway to achieve it. So, sustainability is a long term goal. Mostly when you talk about a sustainable world in next 20 years, then 30 years, then becomes or 50 years, that is sustainability. But sustainable development talks more about the processes and the pathway. So, the typical example of processes and pathway over here is that when we say that we are adopting a sustainable agriculture or sustainable forestry, or we are talking about sustainable production, consumption, good government, research and technology transfer, education training. So, this comes under the process and the pathway. The second one is from a blog from Merivale, and how they have defined or how they have identified the difference between these two terms. So, for them sustainability is a broad term that describes managing resources without depleting them for the future generation. So, it is a broadly they see that sustainability where we are managing the resources without depleting them for the future generation. And how they have defined sustainable development, that is the process for improving long term economic well-being and quality of life without compromising the future generation ability to meet their need. So, the difference over here is that one is it is a broad term about managing resources, and second is about this is a process for improving the long term economic well-being without compromising the future generation ability to meet the need. So, here also the difference is one is a broader term and second one is getting into the process. If you come to the third difference or the third kind of difference what I have picked up, this is also from another blog which says that sustainability is a broad concept, but however it can be simply put as the ability to meet the need of the present without compromising the ability of the future generation. And how is the sustainable development? It is a sum of action, decision, innovation towards improving the quality of human life within the capacity of supporting ecosystem. So, mostly from these three opinion what we have taken about the difference between sustainable development and sustainability, if you see in every case sustainability is more about a broad term, broad concept, long term goal, and sustainable development is more about process, pathway, actions, decision and innovation. But what is important is that we need to integrate this sustainability and sustainable development for design the effective short term and long term strategy. So possibly mostly one of it is goal, broad concept, second one is the process action, but the integration of both needed when we are designing the short term and long term strategy, then only it would, we can see the so called sustainable world. Okay. Now let us understand sustainability more by understanding what is the dimension associated with the sustainability. So there are mostly three dimensions of sustainability. One is environmental sustainability, second one is the economic sustainability, and third one is the social sustainability. Now what is environmental sustainability? Here typically we ensure that the consumption of natural resources such as material, energy, fuel, land, water should be at a sustainable rate. So mostly we are ensuring a sustainable rate of consumption in case of environmental sustainability. And let me give you a small example that how do we ensure this. Possibly these are the jargon you must be hearing at the from different places. We aim for net zero carbon, or the principle of circular economic or the circularity principle, through which we try to ensure that the way we are consuming our natural resources, that has to be at the sustainable rate. Now second one is, the second dimension is economic sustainability. Now what it requires or what it means? Economic sustainability requires that a business or a country uses its resources efficiently and responsibly so that it can operate in a sustainable manner to consistently produce an operational profit. So here also we need to highlight or we need to remember two things. One, the resource use has to be efficient, and second, since we are talking about economic sustainability, second must thing is that it should be producing the operational profit, or it should be getting the operational profit. So the way we use resources, or the efficiently the way we use resources, so that it can be more sustainable and consistently it should give us the operational profit. The last dimension or the third dimension of sustainability is social sustainability. So what is social sustainability? Ability of society or any social system to persistently achieve a good social well-being of a country, of an organization or a community, or maintain in the long run. So social sustainability is what? It is about achieving the good social well-being for the in different scale, like in a community, like in an organization, or in the country as a whole. And also one is achieving the social well-being, and second is to maintain it in the long term. Now when we are talking about this three dimension of this sustainability, that is social, economic and environmental sustainability, now what we achieve when we maintain this sustainability? So when we maintain social and economic sustainability, possibly equity, the equitable is the achievement. When social and environmental sustainability, it is about bearable, and when economic and environmental sustainability, it is viable. But what is most important over here is that we need to balance economic, social and environmental, then only we can achieve the true sustainability and true circular economy. Okay. Now this three dimension of sustainability is beautifully explained through a 3-leg sustainability tool by Bob Willard in his book New Sustainability Advantage. So this 3 dimension is considered as the one or 3 legs of this sustainability